What up, YouTubers? Welcome to the Life of Jones, Ward of Jones.
Oh, out here painting the house. I didn't get painted. It's the original color right here. That yellow. Yellow right here. It's gonna be white all the way around. Got his Dolph.
Yes, sir.
Got his Dolph on the lens, on the behind the sprayer.
That way.
Show y'all how to spray. Oh, got the dough. I'll get that changed, that white. Oops. Right here. Gonna be a backsplash right here. Working on the plumbing down here. Got the dishwasher. Had to move switch down. So I got to switch, installed that, installed the hoses. There it is right. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, we pretty much wrapping up, caulking. Got a paint. All right. Got Peanut in here today. So what's going on? But yeah, New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's to everybody. It's the update. Got the refrigerator up there. Getting ready to start on that backsplash. We should be finishing most of it today. Got the water and stuff working. Installed the drains, hot water works. I just gotta put a dishwasher hose clamp on this so it can drain. Added all this new plumbing to it. This was the old one in the back. Cut that off and glued the new one to it. Got a new dishwasher plug on here, so that's coming on. Got to install the thermostat. Got the floors finished. I'm gonna change these two knobs for the washer and dryer because they're broken. Light, gotta put one cover right there. I added this new trim. Added quarter round around there for the floor. We're gonna put an island in here, but it's so small. I don't think we're gonna do it. It was gonna be like right here. Just gotta finish caulking. Gotta add that quarter round right there. Fix that hole. Paint this door white. Finish putting on the wall plates. Make a little access panel. There's Mel Gotti right there in the background. Transition strip right here. There's the carpet. Added crown molding up there in this closet. So I gotta throw this toilet in. Jack grouted the tile, so that's like the final right there. Got the plate on. I think he added towel right here. Got the vanity mirror, faucet. Just gotta straighten that up, actually attach it, throw this toilet in. Got quarter round down here. New doorknob. And I got this transition strip in. I just gotta put this one in right here. You gotta fix this carpet. I'm gonna add a seam right there. This was the first one we did, first time we did it, so we kind of cut it. Well, we installed it wrong. Rule of thumb, when you're doing carpet, or anybody who's doing carpet, before you even like install it, you need to like fit it in the room, which means like place it down, and then where you have an opening right here, you need to cut like a slit so this can fall through. And that's what we didn't do. We didn't fill this in, throw this in right here to cut a slit in there. And then it would have worked. We wouldn't have to add a seam because we did it right in the other rooms. Figured it out in the other rooms. And then just gotta put that other vanity right there. And I'm gonna change this out right here. I'll replumb this right here. I don't know if y'all remember the other videos. It was like, I don't know what they did. They like put tape and plastic around it and zip tied it. And there's the faucet for that one. And we broke out all the tile added wood because some of them were broken. We're gonna screw that down into the cement block today. And what you doing, boy?
Watch out.
Hey, you watch out, Peanut. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just an update. I'll give y'all the update once we that's the other mirror. Right? Oh no, we taking these back. These were too big. These were the original mirrors we're gonna put in there, but they're too big. So yep, and that's my knee kicker. So yeah, it's an update. Got you. Well, about to finish installing this carpet, and about to try this stuff out right here. Usually you can iron it, but I found this right next to found this right next to the seam tape. This is also seam tape as well. There we go. So there's no iron needed. Used on the other one. I think it's a little bit more. I think it was like $7, and the other one was like, no, this was $5. And the one where you need an iron was $7. And you just put it underneath to connect it. So I already cut it in the size, stretched it, and now I'm about to cut it down a little bit and see exactly where I need to mark, and I'm gonna put that tape right in between there. And yeah, Mel got it right there on the ones and twos on the mold. Do a little window trimming right there. And I got transition strip down right there. Right there, so that's all done. And yeah, we wrapping up. All right, for me not to be a professional carpet, you can't even tell that it was a big patch right there. But yeah, man, I ain't a professional. This is my first time laying carpet, no cap. On my first time, and came out pretty good. It's the color brown right here that we painting. Right now, Dion and I on lunch break, eating on the paint. Got his peanut butter and jelly. It's our lunch break, eating on the paint buckets. I got my tell her get off, get it off. And we got the baked chicken, string beans, rice.
I'm gonna kill that ant.
And I got that body armor. Gotta stay hydrated. Shout out to Body Armor. And got me some fruit. Gotta eat right. Alright, so had to redo the floor because it was like a gap right there, so we did that. Had to take the quarter round off and put it back on. Got the transition strip in, got the mirror up, Got this installed, got the faucet installed. Gotta put a cover right here. I caulk that up. Paint right there. Right now I'm getting ready to add a hole in this door. So we put the handle on. Yeah, I'll stay right here. Got the shower re-grouted. Mirror up. Toilet in. Coming together. Show y'all the backsplash real quick. Backsplash right there. Oh, man.
Jones?
Yo.
What? Jones.
Oh man, here we go. Let's get transition. Well, looking like this what it's gonna be. Looking like it's got cleaned up, but pretty much it right here. Pretty much it right here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, almost fell. Pretty much it. Yeah, that pretty much, yeah. Oh, yeah, come back for that. Pretty much it, though.